Hey team, and this video will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective for 4th and 5th November. For 4th and 5th November, so let's begin. We are currently on an 4 hourly chart for the gold, and as expected, we did see a bounce off towards this support trend line. You can see my previous day or the yesterday day forecast on which I was expecting that we can potentially see a retest towards this particular support trend line, which we did, and here we can trigger a long position with a take profit of that position have also hit, and a stop loss was placed some around 1772. Now our trade have been closed on a note of profit. Now coming on the further trades, what we can look, and if you haven't subscribed till now, so do consider subscribing and do watch the video till the end, as I will try my best to summarize all the information which I can spot in the market. So coming on the charts back on a 4 hourly chart, and here what we can easily see is that the market would in a bear of some around 4 to 6 hours will be able to break this strong resistance zone due to the uncertainty created by the elections, and the dollar which we can see is gaining strength. However, the gold and dollar relations are inverse. However, in some scenarios they are directly related to each other. Now coming on the charts for the gold, and here what we can spot is that I have drawn this particular symmetrical triangle pattern. This is the support of the symmetrical triangle pattern on which we did see that the market did bounce off, and this is the resistance. This is the resistance zone which we have created somewhere around 1905 till somewhere around 1901, and this is the support zone which we have created somewhere around 1863 till somewhere around 1850. Now what we can potentially expect, or what I'm expecting, is that a breakout from this symmetrical resistance zone, and we have seen a breakout from this particular resistance zone if the market closed above 1907. Thus we are expecting more bullish momentum entering in the market. And now coming on to the summary where we should trigger our long positions. An ideal place to go for a long position would be a close on a 4 hourly on a 1 daily chart above 1913 till some around 1915. Thus that would be an ideal place to go long, with our stop losses placed some around 1900, with our take profit placed some around 1936. This trade will give an exit reward of approx 1:1.4. Now coming into another bullish scenario is that either seeing a breakout, we did see that the market did retested this particular support zone which I have spotted. That would be an position ideal position to go long, with our entry trigger point of somewhere around 1897, with our stop losses placed somewhere around 1888, with our take profit of some around below the recent highs, which would be, or we can place our take profit in a resistance zone which would be somewhere around 1910. Thus this trade will give an exit reward of approx 1:1.29. Now coming on the bearish scenario is that if we will go for a long position here, and we did see that the market did not hold this particular support zone, and we did see that the market did break below this particular support zone and we hit our stop losses. No need to worry, we can hedge our stop losses with taking a short position with our stop losses placed somewhere around 1908, with our take profit of this particular support zone, or our first take profit would be placed somewhere around 1884, then our second or the final trade take profit would be placed below this particular support zone, which is in range of 1862 till some around 1850. However, there are less chances that we did see that the market did break this particular support zone, as according to the current fundamentals, we are more bullish for the market, and we can easily see that the market would close above this resistance zone. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching. And do keep in mind, we would be looking for long opportunities only. We will only and only take short position if we did see a break below this particular support zone. Thanks for watching.